Okay.
Why didn't it catch on fire?
It is.
Burning, 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 burning. Mmm, smells yummy. Why aren't you like big poopiness? Big poopy fire of death. Okay, that's good enough.
I still want to throw gasoline on it.
Yeah, well, if we had some.
Alright.
You can go up and look near the grill.
Yeah.
Ouch, that's hot.
Well, there, that kind of does happen.
Burned me.
I'm gonna put this on my face.
Okay. Yeah! Oh no, come back. I want to make a little torch thing. Oh my god, we're killing it. Yes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna feel so much better. Maybe. Hopefully. That's really starting to burn now. Claire's gonna torch this. Claire's making a torch. Check that out. Oh yeah! My torch went out. Mine? Oh, never mind.
I don't think we need one. It's nice and burning.
Damn torch.
I'm gonna put this on my face.
Check it out.
It's nice.
Dang it. I like to burn stuff.
Oh gosh.
Yeah. Here, hold this while I get the water hose. We can put it out here in a little bit. Hey, that's fun.
Wow, it's moving. Take another picture. Can I see it? I got it.
Oh, it's recording. Oh. Burn. Burn.
How do you zoom? Oh.
It's I don't think you can zoom on the camera mode.
I think it's more dramatic if you record its face. Here, take your camera back.
Oh dear.
Oh wow. Allie, you're missing it!
Ah, it's kind of catching in the grass. It's not done yet though.
Not done yet. Camera. Can you record in?
Still beep. The water hose is talking to us.
I feel so much better. Feel like you're gone forever.
Ouch, that's a fire.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, watch the fire because we'll have to put it out. Oh, look at the eye, look at the eye, look at the eye, there's the nose, there it goes. There it goes. Yeah.
Burn.
There's something in my hair. See that thing in my hair?
That's on fire! No, I'm just kidding.
No, really, there's something like right in my vein.
Burn. No more doggy.
No more doggy. No more burning doggy. Maybe if I liked my ex-boyfriend, I wouldn't burn his dog. Too bad I don't like him. Too bad I don't like him. I think it's dead.
Not yet!
No, but I think my grass will be.